In Adobe Illustrator, the toolbar is located to the left. There is many tools here, like we can go and explain them one by one because that will take a lot amount of time, so we will cover the basic tool or the tools which will be used in our projects. We talk about the selection tool, the pen tool, the ellipse tool. We'll talk about the rotate and reflection tools. We'll talk about the line segment tool and arc tool. We'll cover how they work and the different ways to apply them, and so on. So if you've got any struggle with using one of the tools, just ask me and I will be here to answer your questions. See you in the next video.